Struggling to type the elusive G on your laptop or PC? Don't worry, we're cracking the code to Spanish character input in just 90 seconds. First up, the trusty Alt code method for Windows users. Make sure numlock is enabled, then press and hold the Alt key while typing 164 on the numeric keypad for a lowercase g plus or minus, or Alt 165 for the uppercase G. Release the Alt key, and voila. Next, let's explore the character map. Another Windows gem. Search for character map in your Windows search bar and open the application in the character map. Select the font you're using, search for the G symbol, click select, then copy. Now you can paste it wherever you need it. Consider enabling the US International Keyboard Layout. Go to your keyboard settings in Windows or your system preferences on Mac. Add the US International Layout on Windows. You can typically switch between keyboard layouts by pressing Left Alt Shift with this layout enabled. Type an apostrophe followed by an N to get the lowercase g plus or minus, or a quote followed by an to get the uppercase G. Mac users have it easy too. Press and hold the Option key, then press the N key. Release both keys, then press N again for a lowercase g plus or minus, or Shift N for the uppercase G. So there you have it, several methods to conquer the G symbol on any device. Practice these techniques, and you'll be typing in Spanish like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and keyboard shortcuts.